Okay, so today for my example, I have a story problem here. It says, I have 560 milliliters of water in my cup. I drank 230 milliliters of water at lunch. How much water is left in my cup? Okay, so I'm going to start with my equation. I start with 560 and I drank it some, so I know that that means to subtract. Okay, now whatever strategy you choose to use, as long as it's an effective and efficient strategy to solve, you are more than welcome. I'm going to use the keeping a one number whole. So I'm going to keep my first number whole and subtract the second number in parts. I'm going to subtract the hundreds first, and that will give me 360. Okay, so I'm going to bring my 360 down here. Now I subtracted the 200. All I need left is to subtract the 30. So 360 minus 30 is 330 milliliters. I have 330 milliliters left in my